Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to find your phone number on Android. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, if you want to find your phone number on Android, the very first thing you need to do is pull down your drop-down menu, and in the top right, hit the gear to go into your settings. And then once you're in settings, you're going to scroll down and go into About Phone. So click on About Phone. And then guys, in some versions of Android, right when you hit About Phone, your phone number will be right there. And that is the case on my version of Android on my phone. But guys, if you hit About Phone and your phone number is not there, what you need to do instead is click on Status. And then once you click on status, your phone number will be in here. So guys, it's either right when you hit About Phone or it's in status. Either one, that is where you find your phone number on Android. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, of course. It's very much appreciated when you guys do that. If you guys have any suggestions or tutorial topics that you'd like us to cover in the future on the channel, you guys can leave those in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.